Welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you are in the world. A shout out to you. I am here this time of the day because I need to vent. So you're not going to see cooking from me today. It's a little venting. However, I am not upset, but I have to speak the truth. I have to say things the way they are. This is my country, Jamaica, and I love, love, love my country. Because wherever in the world I go, they can tell me to go back home. But when I'm here, nobody can tell me to go. However, there's so much delinquency here in Jamaica. And the worst thing about it, there is nobody to address the problem, no one to talk to. Because the heads of the heads, you don't know where they are, you can find them, and it is very bad. If you're in a scenario like what I have been through today, then you will understand. Let me tell you, don't get me wrong, Jamaica is lovely. We have lovely places, lovely people, and lovely services somewhere. At least small percent of that. What happened today is that I went to church. Coming back from church, I did not have cash. So I was relying on my ATM machine, my card, my debit card, to use at the ABM, ATM, whatever you call it, it is the same. However, when I go to the ABM, it is not in service. It's not working. And I tried like 1, 2, 3 times. It's not working. I went into a supermarket, mind you, to buy something just for them to run it through their machine, hoping that it was not the same bank that I am using. But guess what? It was the same bank. So I couldn't. I was sitting in the bus park from something to 12, mind you, something to 12 midday until 20 minutes after 2 p.m. You do the maths. I'm not a mathematician. So you do the maths for me. And let me tell you, I have never begged. You know what? The word of God said, I have never seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed begging for bread. But mind you, today I was planning to go on the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, the delinquent bus service, to ask for a ride home because I did not have cash. Mind you, I did not feel comfortable about it because when it comes to services in Jamaica,